Good morning friends. Again a warm welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this morning with continuation of topic chemical properties of metals. As first property I have discussed with you, that is reaction of metals with water. As link also available in description box if you skip my video. Before starting today's topic, please comment, like and subscribe. Press bell icon so that you can see notification of new videos. Okay, in this cheerful morning, second most important property, that is reaction of metals with oxygen, we will discuss. So friends, enjoy and watch video till end. Let's start. First we fastly recap reaction of metals with water. Sodium, potassium, they react violently with water. Reaction is highly exothermic in nature. Calcium react with water at room temperature. Reaction is less violent. Magnesium, which reacts with hot water, do not react with cold water, and formation of magnesium hydroxide. Aluminium, zinc, iron, they neither react with hot water or cold water, they react only with steam. You can see here reactions of aluminium, zinc and iron with water. Okay. Now lead, copper, Ag, Au, they do not react even with steam. These all depends on the reactivity series of the metals towards water. Now we reach to रिएक्शन ऑफ मेटल्स विद ऑक्सीजन. देखिए किसी भी मेटल की जब आप ऑक्सीजन से रिएक्शन करवाते हैं इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू इट्स मेटल ऑक्साइड. यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल, दैट इज मेटल ऑक्साइड्स आर आयनिक इन नेचर. आयनिक दैट मीन्स जनरेशन ऑफ कैटायन एंड एनायन. फर्स्ट वी सी हाउ डू सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन, व्हाट विल बी फॉर्म एंड व्हाट विल बी द क्रूड प्रोडक्ट after reaction of sodium and potassium with oxygen. Formation of Na2O and potassium oxide. Reaction is so vigorous that these metals catches fire if we kept in open air. इसलिए जो सोडियम और पोटेशियम है वो हम रखते हैं केरोसिन ऑयल में. इट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन CBSE बोर्ड, व्हाई सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम kept in kerosene oil. Second one is magnesium, aluminium, zinc and lead. They combine with oxygen at ordinary temperature and they form protective layer of oxide on the surface. For example, here aluminium when treated with oxygen it will form protective layer of aluminium oxide, that is Al2O3. This is also very important. Magnesium burns with dazzling white light to form magnesium oxide powder. जब आप magnesium ribbon को burn करते हैं it will burn with dazzling white light and formation of white powder. व्हाइट पाउडर किसका होता है आपके पास? मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड का, Mg+O2 MgO. व्हेन दिस व्हाइट पाउडर is treated with water, then formation of magnesium hydroxide, and this reaction shows that oxides of metals are basic in nature. Move to next, that is copper, which does not burn in air even on strong heating. कॉपर को आप कितना भी बर्न कर लें it does not burn. हीटिंग इन एयर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, जब आप कॉपर को लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए हीट करते हैं तो एक ब्लैक कलर का जो पाउडर होता है उसकी लेयर होती है, दैट इज CuO कॉपर ऑक्साइड. जब प्रोलॉन्ग्ड हीटिंग करते हैं मीन्स फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम इफ वी हीटिंग कॉपर, इट शोज दैट कॉपर इज लेस रिएक्टिव देन आयरन. हेयर आयरन डज नॉट बर्न इन एयर. आयरन है वो एयर में बर्न नहीं करता, बट क्या करता है जब आप इसको प्रोलॉन्ग हीट करते हैं इट विल बिगिंस टू ग्लो विद ब्राइट लाइट. Fe+O2, that means formation of Fe3O4 which is a mixture of FeO and Fe2O3. Next one is our Ag, Au and Pt. As you have seen in reactivity series, they are least reactive metal, so they do not combine with oxygen even at high temperature, hence they are least reactive. Now we will see what are the characteristics of metal oxide. मेटल ऑक्साइड्स के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या क्या होते हैं, मीन्स क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं. फर्स्ट वी सी सोल्यूबिलिटी इन वाटर. सोडियम और पोटेशियम के जो ऑक्साइड हैं, सोडियम बनाता है Na2O, पोटेशियम K2O. व्हेन दे रिएक्ट विद वाटर दे फॉर्म एल्कली. एल्कलीज आर सोल्यूबल बेस. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड Na पॉजिटिव, OH नेगेटिव, दैट इज आयनिक इन नेचर. KOH also form potassium hydroxide. So here you can assume that or you can conclude that oxides of metal are basic in nature. But some metal oxides are amphoteric. This is very important and most repeatedly asked question. What are amphoteric oxide? How will you show that Al2O3 and ZNO are amphoteric in nature? So friends, you have to check here. Magnesium oxide when treated with H2SO4 मीन्स जब भी मेटल ऑक्साइड को आप एसिड से ट्रीट करवाते हैं, मेटल ऑक्साइड व्हेन ट्रीटेड विद एसिड दे विल फॉर्म सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. Here Al2 and O3, that means aluminium oxide and zinc oxide, show both acidic and basic character. First question arises here, what are amphoteric oxide? Amphoteric oxide कौन से होते हैं? They show reaction with acids as well as with base. Here I have taken example Al2O3 when treated with HCl, formation of aluminium chloride, and when Al2O3 aluminium oxide treated with NaOH sodium hydroxide, it will convert into sodium aluminate with evolution of water. Similarly, ZNO is also amphoteric. Reaction with acid and reaction with base simultaneously. It can react with acid and it can react with base. Reaction with acid, formation of zinc chloride as a major product, and with base, formation of sodium zincate. This is very important and formula you have to check carefully. Na2ZnO2, that is sodium zincate. Okay friends, these all are the properties of metal oxides. You can see carefully. You have to maintain your notes in your notebook. So friends, enjoy and watch video. Thank you very much.